Hello everyone, we are reading chapter 8, that is geometry. In the last class we have learned how to draw a line and how to measure a line with the help of ruler. Okay, and now we will see, and today we will learn angles. Okay, what do you mean by angles? An angle is formed when the end points of two rays. You know what do you mean by ray? A line which has only one end point. Okay, which is only one end point, meet at the one point, and the point where two rays meet is called a vertex. And the plural form of vertex is vertices, and the ray are called the arms of angle, and angle is represented by the symbol this. You can see this. Now see here, this is the two ray. First one ray is from here and another ray is from here, so the two ray are meeting here, so this point is known as vertex, means corner. Okay, and these two ray, that is AB and BC, AB and BC is known as the arms of the angle. Got it? Arms of the angle. And the space between BA and BC, or amount of turn between BA and BC, is the angle. You can see this turn, the space, this part is known as angle. Okay, this part is known as angle. This part, see here, this part is known as angle. And the point here, the two lines meet, the two line segment, yes or no, the two ray, we can say two ray were meet. So this is the starting point and it goes up to here. So BC, the name is given this ray BC, and here BA, and the joining point and the meeting point. Okay, joining or meeting point is the vertex, and these two lines are known as arms. Okay, arms of the angle. And the space between BA and BC, and this part, okay, this part is known as angle. Got it, children? This part is known as angle. Now there are four different types of angles are there. Okay, in this class we will learn about four types of angle: right angle, obtuse angle, acute angle, and straight angle. Okay, children, so we will discuss in details. Now you can see here how the angles can be formed. This is the scissor. You know the scissor. When we are opening, this part is form an angle. This part form an angle. Okay, and this is less than 90 degree, that means this is acute angle. And the table, the leg of the table, this part form the angle. This part form the angle. This is the part, this is the part form angle here. This is the part forming angle. This is 90 degree angle, that is right angle. The door, as you can see here, door opening part, this part, okay, this part is also forming angle. Then your house, okay, angle, here also angles are there. So now we will discuss briefly about the angles, but how we can measure the angle? What is the instrument? That instrument is known as, so the instrument is known as protractor. This is the protractor which we use to measure an angle. As you can see here, angles is measured in degree always. Okay, as you can see here, two numbers are given, 0, 180, 10. If we will start from here, so our 0 we will start from here. Okay, and if we will start from this side, our 0 will start from this side. That means this protector can be 360 degree, that is a circle, 360 degree, and this is the half of the circle, 180 degree. So 180 plus 180 equal to 360. Got it, children? 180 plus 180 is equal to 360 degrees. So this is the instrument which used to measure the angle. Now see, right angle. This is the right angle. Means the measurement of right angle is always 90 degree. The measurement of right angle is always 90 degree. We can make right angle in this way also. This is the right angle. So right angle. How right angles are formed? An angle formed by vertical line, means this line, vertical line, and a horizontal line is called a right angle. You can see here, this is the horizontal line and this is the vertical line. So the angle is formed and this is measure equal to 90 degree. The measurement of right angle is always 90 degree. Keep it in mind. The measurement of this angle is always 90 degree. Okay. Now acute angle. acute angle, the angle which is measured less than 90 degree. Okay, the angle which is measured less than 90 degree. Suppose this is your protector and this is your 90 degree. So the angle which flow, the angle which are between these two part, okay, between 0 to 90 degree are known as acute angle, means less than 90 degree. Yes or no? Your 90 degree is this one, 90 degree, but this is a less than 90 degree, so that is why this is known as acute angle. And here obtuse angle, your 90 degree is here and this is more than 90 degree. Yes or no? More than 90 degree, so this is known as obtuse angle. Okay, now straight angle means a straight line, this measure 180 degree. 180 degree means this is the measurement, 90 plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. So 180 degree means a straight line. This is a 180 degree angle. Got it, children? 180 degree angle means when we are joining two angles, two angles is a straight angle. Here we are joining two angles, this one and this one. So this is the two angle. We can make this way also. We can make this way also. This way also. This is also a straight angle. Got it, children? So very easy to understand. So the instrument which we will use to measure all these angles, that is what? That is a protractor, and with the help of protractor we will measure these angles. Got it? Now see the measurement. Right angle 90 degree, acute angle more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree, obtuse angle more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, and straight angle is equal to 80 degree. This angle is always equal to 90 degree. This is less than 0 degree, sorry, more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree, and this is more than 90 degree, less than 180 degree, and this is more, this is 180 degree. Accurate. These measurements are accurate. This can be, this angle can be 30, this angle can be 40, this angle can be 89, this angle can be 29, this angle can be 30, this angle can be 60, means less than, means 0 to 90 degree, means we cannot say 90 degree, less than 90 degree, that means 89 degree, and this is more than, more than right angle, that means more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, and this is the straight angle, accurate measurement 180 degree. Got it? Now, so question number 3. Okay, question number 3, the angle is given here and the name of the angle is also given, the ABC. ABC. Always write in a clockwise or anti-clockwise. So you can write here this one CB ABC or BABC in this way also. Okay. Now name the vertex, means this point. Here also the name is given D, as you can see here. So the vertex number A, vertex is B. Okay. Now number B, name the arms of the angle. So this is the arms. So we can write it A, B or BA. We can write it, the another one is BC or CB. Number C, name this angle in 4 different ways. So first we'll start with A, B, C. This is the angle, symbol of the angle, and this is the angle B. So B should be in the middle. Then C, B, A. Then this B, angle B, and angle B. Got it? Which type of angle is this? So this is less than 90 degree. So acute angle. Okay, less than 90 degree means acute angle. Clear, children? So you do practice at home. Okay, thank you everyone.